Detailed explanation of insulin lispro. 1. Generic name, drug class, brand names, drug forms. Generic name, insulin lispro. Insulin lispro is a laboratory-made form of human insulin designed to work very rapidly after injection. Drug class, rapid-acting insulin analog, anti-diabetic medication, hormonal glucose-lowering agent. It belongs to the group of insulins used mainly to control post-meal, postprandial blood glucose. Brand names, common brands, Humalog, Admelog, Lyumjev. Mixture preparations, Humalog Mix 7525, Humalog Mix 5050. These combinations contain insulin lispro plus intermediate-acting insulin drug forms. Insulin lispro is available as form description, vial, used with syringe, pre-filled pen, easy self-administration. Cartridge, used with reusable insulin pens. IV injection, used in hospitals. Insulin pump solution, continuous infusion. Strengths, U100, 100 units milliliter, U200, 200 units milliliter concentrated form. Number 2, definition. Insulin lispro is a genetically engineered insulin that acts quickly to reduce blood glucose after meals. Normally, the pancreas releases insulin immediately after eating. In diabetes, this process is impaired. Insulin lispro mimics the body's normal rapid insulin response. It is mainly used before meals, during insulin pump therapy, in intensive insulin regimens. Number 3, mechanism of action, normal physiology. After eating, 1. Blood glucose rises. 2. Pancreas releases insulin. 3. Insulin helps glucose enter cells. 4. Blood sugar decreases. In diabetes, insulin is absent or ineffective. How insulin lispro works. Insulin lispro binds to insulin receptors on muscle cells, fat cells, liver cells. This causes increased glucose uptake, reduced blood glucose, glycogen formation, fat synthesis, protein synthesis, reduced liver glucose production. Why it acts faster. Human insulin naturally forms hexamers clusters, which delay absorption. Insulin lispro has slight amino acid changes. Lysine and proline positions are reversed. This prevents clustering and allows rapid absorption. Number 4, pharmacokinetics, absorption. Injected subcutaneously and absorbed rapidly into the bloodstream. Injection side effects. Absorption is fastest from 1, abdomen, 2, arm, 3, thigh, 4, buttocks. Pharmacokinetic profile, parameter value, onset, 10 to 20 min, peak, 30 to 90 min, duration 3 to 5 R. Visual timing, F-tixed rapid onset with peak at 30-90 minutes. Metabolism, broken down mainly in liver, kidneys, muscle tissue. Excretion removed primarily by kidneys. Patients with kidney disease may require lower doses because insulin remains longer in the body. Number 5, uses, main uses. Type 1 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes, patients produce little or no insulin and require lifelong insulin therapy. Insulin lispro is used before meals with long-acting insulin. 2. Type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes used when oral medicines fail to control glucose adequately. 3. Diabetic ketoacidosis, DKA, used intravenously in hospitals for rapid glucose correction. 4. Insulin pumps. Continuous subcutaneous insulin infusion. Advantages: better glucose control, flexible meal timing, reduced injections. Number 6, indications. Indicated for adults with diabetes, children with diabetes, gestational diabetes under supervision, mealtime glucose spikes, intensive insulin therapy. Number 7, contraindications. Absolute contraindications, hypoglycemia, do not inject during active low blood sugar, allergy. Avoid in patients allergic to insulin lispro ingredients. Relative contraindications. Use carefully in kidney disease, liver disease, elderly, malnourished patients. These conditions increase hypoglycemia risk. Number 8, precautions before taking important assessments. Before starting, blood glucose monitoring, HbA1c testing, kidney function tests, liver function tests. Important precautions. 1. Hypoglycemia risk, most common serious adverse effect. Causes: too much insulin, delayed meals, excess exercise, alcohol. Symptoms of hypoglycemia: mild, severe, sweating, seizures, hunger, confusion, tremors, unconsciousness, palpitations, coma. Number 2, injection site rotation. Repeated injections at same site may cause lipohypertrophy, fat tissue changes. Rotate sites regularly. Number 3, pregnancy. Insulin is preferred in pregnancy because it does not cross placenta significantly. Better glucose control protects baby. Number 4, elderly patients need close monitoring because reduced kidney function, increased hypoglycemia risk. Number 9, how to use administration steps. Step 1, wash hands. Step 2, check insulin, clear, colorless, no particles. Step 3, prepare dose. Step 4, inject into abdomen, thigh, arm, buttocks. Step 5, inject within 15 minutes before meal or immediately after meal. Insulin pen technique. 1. Attach needle. 2. Prime pen. 3. Dial dose. 4. Inject at 90 degree. 5. Hold for 10 seconds before removing. Number 10. Dosing information. Dose varies according to body weight, diet, activity, illness, blood glucose. Total daily requirement 0.5 units kilogram day. Example, 70 kilograms patient, 70 times 0.5, 35 units day. Basal bolus therapy type purpose, long-acting, basal coverage, insulin lispro, meal coverage. Number 11, misdose and overdose. If forgotten, take if meal is about to occur, skip if next dose is near. Never double the dose. Overdose causes accidental extra dose, meal skipped after injection, severe effects, brain injury, coma, death, emergency treatment. Conscious patient give juice, glucose tablets, sugar candy. Unconscious patient requires glucagon, IV dextrose, emergency care. 12. Stop or avoid taking. Do not suddenly stop insulin. May cause hyperglycemia, ketosis, diabetic ketoacidosis. Avoid expired insulin, frozen insulin, excess alcohol, sharing needles. 13. Side effects. Common side effects, side effect explanation, hypoglycemia, low blood sugar, weight gain, anabolic effect, injection pain, local irritation, lipodystrophy, fat tissue changes. Serious side effects. 1. Severe hypoglycemia, medical emergency. 2. Hypokalemia. Insulin shifts potassium into cells. 3. Allergic reactions, rare but serious. Symptoms, rash, wheezing, swelling. Number 14, vital information. Storage condition recommendation, unopened, refrigerate, open pen vial, room temp about 28 days. Avoid heat freezing monitoring. Patients should monitor blood glucose, HbA1c, weight, injection sites. Number 15, drug interactions. Drugs increasing hypoglycemia, aspirin, sulfonylureas, ACE inhibitors. Drugs increasing hyperglycemia, corticosteroids, diuretics, thyroid hormones. Beta blockers may hide warning signs like fast heartbeat tremors. Number 16, drug comparison. Insulin lispro versus regular insulin feature lispro, regular, onset, rapid, slower, meal timing, immediately before, 30 min before, peak, earlier, later. Hypoglycemia, less delayed, more delayed. Lispro versus aspart feature, lispro. Action, rapid, effectiveness, similar, clinical use, similar. Number 17, patient teaching. Patient teaching for insulin lispro. Patient teaching is very important to ensure safe and effective insulin therapy. Number 1, purpose of the medicine. Teach the patient that insulin lispro helps lower blood sugar quickly, controls blood glucose after meals, replaces or supplements natural insulin. It is a rapid-acting insulin, so timing with meals is very important. Number 2, timing of injection. Important teaching, inject within 15 minutes before meals or immediately after meals. Why? Because insulin lispro starts working very fast. If taken without eating, it may cause dangerous hypoglycemia. Number 3, never skip meals after taking insulin. Eat meals on time. Avoid delaying meals. Carry snacks when traveling. Skipping meals can cause sweating, weakness, dizziness, fainting. Number 4, recognizing hypoglycemia, low blood sugar. Teach warning signs. Early symptoms, sweating, trembling, hunger, fast heartbeat, headache, irritability, dizziness. Severe symptoms, confusion, slurred speech, seizures, unconsciousness. Number 5, management of hypoglycemia. Teach the 15-15 rule. Text fast sugar. Right arrow text recheck glucose after minutes. Examples of 15G fast sugar, 3 to 4 glucose tablets, half cup fruit juice, half cup regular soda, 1 tablespoon sugar or honey, hard candy. If symptoms continue, repeat treatment. Seek medical help if severe. Number 6, blood glucose monitoring. Teach patient to check blood sugar regularly. Maintain glucose diary logbook. Record meals, insulin doses, exercise, symptoms. Monitoring helps prevent complications, adjust insulin dose, identify patterns. Number 7, injection technique. Teach correct injection method. Steps 1, wash hands. 2, clean injection site. 3, prepare correct dose. 4, inject at 90 degrees. 5, do not rub injection site. Number 8, injection site rotation. Rotate injection sites to prevent lipodystrophy, lumps under skin, poor insulin absorption. Common sites: abdomen, thigh, upper arm, buttocks. Number 9, storage instructions. Unopened insulin, keep refrigerated. Open insulin may be kept at room temperature, protect from sunlight and heat. Avoid freezing, extreme heat, expired insulin. Frozen insulin should not be used. Number 10, checking the insulin before injecting. Solution should be clear and colorless. Do not use if cloudy, discolored, contains particles. Number 11, needle and pen safety. Teach patient, never share needles or pens. Use sterile needles. Dispose safely in sharps container. Sharing needles may spread infections. Number 12, dose accuracy. Patient should double check insulin dose. No difference between U100, U200 insulin. Using wrong concentration may cause overdose. Sick day teaching. During illness, continue insulin unless doctor advises otherwise. Check blood glucose more often. Drink fluids. Monitor ketones if instructed. Illness can increase blood sugar even if eating less. Number 14, exercise. Teaching exercise lowers blood glucose. Teach patient to check glucose before exercise. Carry glucose source. Eat snack if needed. Risk of hypoglycemia increases during prolonged exercise. Number 15, alcohol. Teaching. Alcohol may cause hypoglycemia. Teach patient to avoid excessive alcohol, never drink on empty stomach, monitor glucose carefully. Number 16, medical identification. Always wear medical alert bracelet or diabetes identification card. This helps during emergencies. Number 17, when to contact healthcare provider. Teach patient to seek medical help if repeated low blood sugar, blood glucose remains very high, vomiting occurs, fever or infection develops, difficulty breathing, severe allergic reactions, unconsciousness. Number 18, importance of follow-up. Patients should attend regular checkups, monitor HbA1c, have kidney and eye examinations, follow diet and exercise plan. Number 19, lifestyle teaching. Encourage healthy diet, weight control, regular exercise, smoking cessation, stress management. Number 20, key safety reminders. Teach patient never to skip meals after injection, share insulin pens, use expired insulin, change dose without advice, stop insulin suddenly. Short patient education summary. Patient must remember, inject near mealtime, monitor blood sugar regularly, recognize hypoglycemia, carry glucose source, rotate injection sites, store insulin properly, never skip meals, keep follow-up appointments. Thank you. Have a nice day.